Welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. We are moving on from outlets and going to start talking about how to troubleshoot lights not working. Finally! You want to start with step 1 and ask the customer or yourself if you have made any recent changes to your electrical system. This always gives you a good starting point, but really, your first starting point should be making sure the light bulb is okay. The next thing is just like outlets. Location, location, location. This is very important. If the light in question is in a bathroom, it may be as simple as resetting that bathroom GFCI. If that light is in a different room, I like to start at the switch box. 90% of the time, I find the problem there. Over time, switches go bad and need to be replaced. You may also have a loose connection in that box, so check all the connections. You can test your switch with a presence tester. Put the tester on the hot wire to make sure the switch is getting power. Then, turn on the switch and see if that power moved to the other screw on the switch. If it didn't, you found your problem. In some houses, the power actually doesn't come from the switch box, but rather the light fixture box itself. If you aren't getting any power on any wires in the switch box, you have to take the fixture down to see if you've lost the live wire. It could also be that the live wire is okay, but you have lost the neutral wire up in the fixture box. Check those things and then continue on or visit thevirtualelectrician.com to schedule a virtual electrician to walk you through how to fix your problem safely and efficiently.